lambachopsid ja aju, brain. Jah, ka mina arvasin kunagi, et ma ei söö kunagi lammast ega lamba aju ega südant ega maksa ega luudi. Never know. Bon appetit. I must be hungry because it is so tasteful. Lamb chops and brain. Only bad thing with brain is you may get some bone structures. So chew carefully. And I never imagined myself eating lamb or lamb brain. You have to carefully wash the brain before and then touch if there are no bones, small bones left. I never danced like this when I was eating, I don't know, rucola. Only when I ate pizza, then it was drag. Now the body dances because it's so nutritious, and fat doesn't make you fat. Enjoy it.